Hey guys, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Miss JD for another episode of our daily stock market insights. Time now, it's already 2:09 in the morning, March 3rd, 2021. So this is going to be a pre-open stock market analysis. So I just want to make sure that we all are prepared for the action later today. Okay. So now what I'm going to discuss would be the stocks that you guys have requested through the comment section of my previous video. So that, and then I will go ahead and discuss the most trending stocks that we had for today. Okay, so if this is the type of video you are interested in watching every single day, this is the channel for you. I'm inviting you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always updated whenever I have new videos. By the way, I just recorded a video on my insights for some of the stocks in the US market, because these 7 stocks I reviewed are showing very promising signs of reversal or a bounce. So check that out, guys. I'll put the link down below so you can easily go to that link. Okay, so let's get started. Let's talk about the index first. What happened today? Okay, so the index has given us really good signs of a possible breakout of the MA20 line. So as you can see, if I'm to draw a trend line over here, it would look like this. Could be this or this. Yeah, could be this, right? Or no, it's this one. All right. So let's use that line as our possible downtrend channel. Okay, and what happened today is we have started to trigger outside of that channel, and at the same time we are also starting to cross the MA20 line, but it's still not final yet because we have not officially crossed the path. So but nevertheless, I still see a strong sign of continuation later today, given that there wasn't any wick up there. It's a strong green, solid green candlestick that we have for today. So what does this mean? Most of the stocks that are part of the index are really going to give us some promising signs of bullish signals there. But we are going to discuss and talk about them in this video. Okay, so something really exciting to watch out for later today. So let's start with GTCAP. GTCAP is also a requested stock. Wow, foreign buying of 1.21 million. At the same time, we have also crossed the MA20 line, so this is a promising sign. I see a possible continuation later today in today's market performance. How far are we from the peak over here? Let's try to measure that. That is a 20% in the short term. In the short term, I don't know how long it'll take to reach that, but let's say a few weeks to months. And then on the bigger picture, there is still a bigger picture here. Imagine how much we have dropped. We used to range around the 1,000 level, and we are just half of that now. Okay, so if you're a long-term investor for GTCAP, now is the perfect time. We have started to show some recovery here since April of 2020, and we have started to show some uptrend. So I think yeah, it's a buy, especially because we have just crossed the MA20 line, and it's very stable, but don't expect too much action right away. Okay, we could be stabilizing for a long time like this one, but this is on a downtrend. But right now, if you want, you can do a range trade. But my recommendation for you, if you're into GTCAP, look at it in the long term. Okay, ALLHC. Let's take a look at that. ALLHC Well, we're sitting at the MA20 line right here, but I don't like the candlestick today. This could mean that we got rejected at the MA20 line and we could go back to the previous support, which is around the 291 level. So I'm just provisioning that key level at the moment, just in case there will be fluctuation. And I'm not saying that there will be no continuation to the upside. What I'm saying is that there could be a possibility that 2.89 can be touched, and who knows, within the day, we will be bouncing, and we just have a long wick down below. So my take here is, if you want to try to um, get in as near as you can to the 290 level. That's the nearest support I can see at the moment. And your RSI is still looking healthy. We're in the 50s level, and there's some foreign buying that happened here. So try to haggle for a few cents if you really want to get in here. Bigger picture, yeah, there's still some room for this stock to move higher. Next is MBT. Okay, MBT is a classic move whenever it is the X date. Notice it's March 2nd. Well, today's market performance is March 2nd. And I'm reviewing, by the way, I'm reviewing for March 2nd. So when it is an X date, normally traders would exit on this day. The very first minute they get out. And that's the reason why there was a gap down. As for me, I mentioned this yesterday. I got in for MBT with the objective in mind that I want to get the dividend, and I don't really mind this big drop because I know that gap will be filled anytime soon. We don't know if that will happen by tomorrow, or it will. I just have a feeling that it could happen. Um, Let me see. In case it will drop, I see it dropping up to this point, 44.93. But the idea of it filling the gap is also a probability. Now, we don't know. We try to observe what happens on the first few minutes of the day and see the overall direction. Because if you really want to check it out, it's halfway, 50-50. Could either go here or go here, right? So let's find out. Let's see where the market will bring us, or the price will bring us. Will it close the gap right away, or if it is going to drop, the next support I see would be here, or it could be here. Let me just plot another one over here. I didn't notice this. There was a support formed at this area. Okay, right over here, this one too. So that those are your key levels to observe, but overall nothing to worry about MBT, guys. um, with almost everything opening right now, the vaccine has started to arrive, and more vaccines are scheduled to arrive, then the economy will start to open up again, and hopefully we will see recovery across the board. In fact, MBT has already demonstrated that it has started to climb up, and if there will be profit taking, that's part of the journey. But overall, looking at the bigger picture, yes, there is a bigger picture. Imagine how much this has dropped, and we are just starting to recover again. Okay, so even if we are just going to go back to the 67 level or even to the 59 level, that's already a very good capital appreciation if that will happen within the year. So you have that plus your dividend. So good story right there. Oh, hold on. Let's talk about AGI. This is also your request. AGI, let's take a look at that. Okay, AGI just revisited a possible support, which is the MA20 line. So this is the resistance I see. Nearest resistance, and this is the nearest support, of course, the MA20 line. But overall, just in case, right? Just be extra careful. In the event it breaks the this channel over here, then just make sure you cut your loss early, so you don't have to wait for a long time for the stock to recover again. But definitely that is your uptrend channel. This is your resistance, and then decide where you want to get in. Would you like to wait till the breakout happens? Or, yeah, I think the perfect entry here is wait for that breakout to happen. Because anyway, there's still a lot of room for this stock to climb up some more. Wow, look at that. It reached up to 31 level previously. There's a 4.6 million on foreign buying that happened today, so that could be a good sign. So my personal take here is wait for that breakout to happen. Okay, so those are the 4 stocks you guys have requested in the comment section. Now let's go to our DITO, a very popular stock and a big event that we are anticipating in the next few days. That's going to be March 8th. Let's see. Sometimes this stock is always selling on news. So could this be a sign that the stock people are already doing profit taking before the big day happens? So whoever is left here most likely are the investors. I know if there will be a sell on news that will happen on the 8th, it's just temporary. Look at the big picture, guys. Look at where the stock could potentially reach in the next few months, few years. Seldom do I recommend a stock, but before I don't even recommend this stock. But right now, with everything tangible supporting the fruition of this company, I am highly recommending. I'm highly recommending that this stock could be or should be in your portfolio, and look at it in the long term. If you want to trade it, good. Look at key levels, and the key level that I see at the moment is a possible support could be around it's not 13. It should be around the 14. I remember plotting it at the 14 level. Okay, so that's the nearest support I see at the moment. And whenever we have these dips, take advantage of those. Take advantage of those for the stock to potentially recover and bounce at that area. Okay, so think this is still looking healthy, even though with that 6% drop, I think there will be a possibility that 14 peso will be touched, and then same day, something like this, same day it recovered immediately. So if you want to be on the conservative side, just place your order around the 14 peso level, wait for it to be touched. If it was reached and executed, then good. If not, don't rush, don't chase. Because what if it drops up to the 1098 level? Hope not. But yeah, hopefully only up to that level. But we are going to discuss again tomorrow if that gets broken. AR, I don't know the story here. There's a ceiling play. So just be extra careful because this thing could be repeated. 1, 2, 3 days worth of action. Okay. And then profit taking can happen. So I don't know the big picture here, but interesting for the stock to move really so massive in just, when did this happen? January and again February. Are they doing this once a month? Let's see. Okay, so again, guys, my support here is still at the 0.0036 level. So you gotta decide. It is your call if you want to get in between this and this. I don't know. There could be a continuation by tomorrow, but this thing can happen, right? Good thing on these days it took 3 days for it to continue, but sometimes it does not happen that way. First day and then second day is red. It does a gap up and then fills the gap same day. So when I have this kind of stock, I open a daily, a 15-minute, and then a 1-minute. Okay, let's go to PHA. PHA has also increased by 7.5% today, and we are sitting at a possible resistance. And I think this stock is really giving us some promising projects in the future. And look at the volume over here. For the longest time, this stock is not giving us that noticeable volume, but starting the month of October, that's when the spike in volume happened, and it is being sustained month on month up to this day. So what are the chances of this stock breaking out? With this volume right now, there is still volume. Okay, imagine 2 days of rest, and then today's performance gave us that significant spike in the volume. And I'm thinking uh, two things. Um, we can be rejected, or we can do a breakout. But I have a feeling we could be breaking out by tomorrow or later today. I talked about MBT. Now let's talk about BDO. BDO, this is a doji, guys. All right, a doji. At the same time, this is still respecting the downtrend resistance over here. So I'm not sure if this is going to break out tomorrow, but if it does, then that's an official breakout of the downtrend. So that's something good. In the meantime, I'm just going to plot a support at the MA20 line just in case, right, that gets revisited. But so far, I think this stock is already going to give us some recovery, especially because I'm bullish with our index, and BDO is such a mover of the index. Okay, 106 is our support. Okay, good thing I did not chase yesterday for ACEN. I have a feeling that my target price will be revisited soon. And this is where I want to enter again, around 650. First level. Second support is right over here, 577. So I have a feeling that those key levels could be revisited within the week. And when that happens, either 653 or 577, that's already a good area to re-enter if you have exited, or add more volume if you're considering to add. There's foreign buying that happened today, so that's good. ABA also gave us a good picture today. 1 million on foreign buying. That's nice. They go hand in hand with PHI, I know. But PHA had a foreign selling. ABA had foreign buying. So, my take here is there is a big chance that the stock could move higher in the coming days. I'm thinking this is still the support. 113, around that area, 114, that could still be our support. And yeah, if you want to add more, go as near as you can at the 114 if the market gives us a chance right there. The next one, JFC. Good job, JFC. I really thought that you are going to disappoint me. But yeah, just for the record, guys, I have JFC in my port, and this is a bounce for JFC. I see a possible continuation for this stock to move higher and higher in the next few days. Next resistance is around the 200 level, and then next stop is 210. I won't plot anything higher than that first, because we could be fluctuating along the way and it could retrace even. All right, but for now, it is starting to trigger the upper Bollinger Band with 18 million in foreign buying. Our RSI is healthy, therefore I see the stock continuing to the upside. Okay, so that's my take for JFC. APL is also starting to give us it is retracing, right, and looks like it is going to revisit my expected area of support. So if you're a follower of this channel, I shared previously that I took profit around the 0.28 level, and I said I will re-enter using that buying power. I will re-enter around 24 level. Today it did not reach that again, but tomorrow I can probably post at 0.24 order again, because I just really strongly feel that it could stabilize here before it takes off again. APL is another good stock to start accumulating because we have that big picture. We just have to closely monitor the progress of the mining, right, that they're doing in Cagayan de Oro. SM also bounced today, but for me, I find this stock just really on the range trading side of things. If you want to engage in this stock, prepare to be stuck in this key level for a long time. It has been moving in that direction sideways since the month of November last year. So no big action happening here. So if you want to do range trade this stock, get in as near as you can to the 1007 level and then exit right here, or you wait for a breakout. All right, so that is it, guys, for this evening. Thank you for watching and good luck in your trades today. Help me grow the channel, guys, if you hit the like and if you drop a comment. YouTube will discover Miss JD and it will show this video or show our videos to more people. And that's my goal. I want to reach more people so that we can all be educated uh, by the big potential of the stock market. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching and bye bye for now.